असं कवि यशवंत उगीच नहीं म्हणत। माँ के आंचल से दूर हुए दुखी बच्चों का दर्द कौन समझ सकता है। तेरी आंचल में आश्वस्त होकर सोता था मैं, कहने वाला माँ की याद में कितना तिलमिला उठता है, यह बयान करना भी शब्दों से परे है। यह भावना केवल समझ लेनी है। कक्षा 6 के छात्र प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं माँ की याद में कराहना, ओ मेरी माँ।
जब चोट कभी मेरे लग जाती थी तो आँख तेरी भी तो भर आती थी माँ, ओ माँ। जब चोट कभी मेरे लग जाती थी तो आँख तेरी भी तो भर आती थी। एक छोटी सी फूंक से तेरी सभी दर्द मेरे होते थे गुम। आज भी कोई चोट लगे तो याद आती हो, याद आती हो। आज भी मेरी आँख भरे तो याद आती हो, याद आती हो। मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, तेरी बातों में अपनी हर एक मैं उलझन का हल पा लेता था। तेरे हाथों की रोटी अक्सर ही भूख से ज्यादा खा लेता था। तेरी बातों में अपनी हर एक मैं उलझन का हल पा लेता था। वो तेरे हाथों की रोटी अक्सर ही भूख से ज्यादा खा लेता था। तेरा हिस्सा मैं, तेरा हिस्सा मैं, जो सबको सलामी हो। आज भी मेरी बात चले तो याद आती हो, याद आती हो। आज भी मेरी आँख भरे तो याद आती हो, याद आती हो। मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ। कोने को थामे तेरे आंचल के बेफिक्रा मैं सो जाता था। मेरे दिल में क्या है तेरे बिना माँ, कोई समझा ही ना पाता था। जो हो संग तू ना, तो हो जग सुना, प्यार इतना करती हो। आज भी कोई साथ लगे तो याद आती हो, याद
सलाम त्या आईला आणि मातृप्रेमालाही. आता मातृप्रेमाकडून वळूया मातृभूमी प्रेमाकडे. वेद मंत्राहुनी आम्हा वंदे वंदे मातरम. स्वातंत्र्य स्वातंत्र्य तर वंदे मातरम हा स्वातंत्र्य प्राप्तीसाठीचा मंत्रघोषच होता. फासावर हसत हसत गेले. स्वातंत्र्यानंतरही या मंत्राचे महत्त्व आणि महात्म्य कमी झालेले नाही बरं. आज तर मातृभूमीला वंदन करताना आपण कुठे आहोत? जगात आपलं स्थान, मान, अभिमान, शक्तीस्थळ अबाधित राखण्यासाठी अधिक सतर्कतेची गरज आहे. माझी मातृभूमी जिला मी क्षणोक्षणी वंदन करीत आहे ती अधिक प्रगत समृद्ध व्हावी म्हणून अथक झटणार आहे. I have to visualize my nation on the topmost of the position in the world. The world should honor her, so let's sing proudly Vande Mataram.
वंदे
What is the genuine and major problem? And today's unsolved question, the pollution, various types of pollutions. Who is responsible for it? And what is its solution? For answer, students of Standard 5th are presenting one act play, a lesson for all. In this play, two types of characters are there, human beings as well as animals. Let me introduce them. Humans, newspaper boy, milkman, school bus driver, mayor of the town, Mr. Desai, a businessman, Mrs. Patel and Mrs. Joshi, housewives, Madhu and Manas, Mrs. Joshi's daughters, Dr. Sawant and others, and animals, the peacock and others. It's a city street. Time is early in the morning. The street is littered with plastic bags, cartoons, tins, cans, broken glasses, old tires, waste paper balls, bags and garbage only. And now here enters.
Why hasn't the newspaper been delivered today on time? It's almost 9 o'clock. My time to leave for my office. Let me ask the Patels if they have received their copies.
No, Mr. Desai. The newspaper boy hasn't delivered the papers as yet, nor has our milkman turned up. Mr. Patel is so grumpy. He is waiting for his morning cup of tea.
Very strange. And look, the street, it is simply shocking.
My word! What's this? Where did all this litter and garbage came from?
I returned rather late from my office, but the street was bad then. How did much rubbish gather here overnight? Oh, ouch! My foot, it hurt.
Oh dear, Madhu, are you alright? Oh no, her foot is bleeding so much. Somebody help, please. Manas, run and fetch Dr. Mrs. Sawant. Request her to come quickly. Your sister has cut herself on a broken glass bottle.
I will get some ice at once.
My poor child, how did all this broken glass happen to be here? Look around. It's not just a broken glass, but... Dear me, what nonsense this is, unbelievable. Where has all this rubbish came from? Dr. Sawant, Madhu is get injured because of the sharp broken glass. Please treat her quickly.
Let me see the wound. Here's some ice to stop the bleeding.
What's presence of mind? Good. There now, it has stopped bleeding. I will dress the wound and she will be fine.
Thank you, doctor. So kind of you to come here at once, but I am going to complain the mayor. Have you seen the rubbish and the litter on the road?
Oh, it's a mystery. All this litter and garbage was not there yesterday, and now just look.
The mayor must have not seen. Look, the newspaper boy, he is limping, and the milkman at last. Why? Where's your bicycle and why are you so late?
The tire were punctured. I had to come all the way walking with this heavy milk can. And I tripped the old tire, sprained my foot. It was quite dark early this morning. I do not accept an old tire right in the middle of the road. I see, something must be done.
Mrs. Doshi, I can't ride school bus today. On every road and street there is nothing but litter. It looks like an obstacle discourse.
I know. I am going to send for the mayor. He must be serious. Our children are not safe with all these dangerous objects around.
Unbelievable! Shocking! How do you expect people to walk through all this rubbish? Why don't you all dispose of the garbage properly?
But we do, Mr. Mayor. We give our garbage to the garbage collector. like this. Or we take it to the dumping ground near the river side and the rain comes and wash it away. Or the winds blow it away.
Then, how did it come back into the town overnight? That's the problem. Nobody knows how it got here. It's a mystery.
It looks like someone has done it to purposely spoil our town
And endanger our children and hinder our daily work.
We will not tolerate this. I must look into this. I will not spare anyone. Who has done this? Who is responsible for this mess?
We are responsible. We have brought in all the litter. We have spread the garbage in all over the town. Yes, and we confess we did so.
What? You? How dare you?
What right do you have to spoil our town and make it unsafe to move around?
We have only brought back to you what belongs to you. Tell me, what right do you dump in all in this the forest? The forest is our dwelling place. Our trees are dying and vanishing because of you. Where can be roots or buildings?
And where can we live?
You are worried about Madhu being injured because of the sharp broken glass. Don't our young ones also get injured too?
Yes, and we have no doctor to dress their wounds. Our young ones simply die.
Oh no, how shocking, terrible. And all the fish in the rivers and lakes die because the whale dump in water. How we suffered because the chemical and poison. And so many animals to drink the polluted water fall ill and die.
Yes, it is unfortunately true.
So we called a meeting and decided to return all your dangerous stuff back to you. We don't need it.
Anyway, we were not as cruel as you are. We have only returned the garbage and not the poured chemical poisonous onto your settlement.
I see. You animals and birds do have a point. You are right.
You have opened our eyes. We should not dump in forests, rivers or lakes. But where can we dispose of it?
If you all agree to sort out the litter, I will arrange for it to be collected separately. Then some of it can go for processing and some for recycling.
Good idea. Let us do just that.
Let us save our Mother Earth for further harm. Thank you, dear animals, for teaching us a lesson so effectively. We assure you that we will not pollute or spoil your homes. I shall warn those who go there for picnics.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Thank you.
पहा, प्राण्यांनी आम्हाला धडा दिलाय, प्राण्यांचं आता ऐकावं लागतंय.
Self-help is the best help. Let's clear this up.
भगवान बुद्धापासून ते महात्मा गांधीपर्यंत म्हणजेच इतिहास काळापासून ते स्वातंत्र्य चळवळीपर्यंत भारताने जगाला शांतीचाच संदेश दिला, अहिंसेची शिकवण दिली. शांती अहिंसेचे पुजारी म्हणजे आम्ही भित्रे नव्हे. आमची अहिंसा भेकडाची नाही. आम्ही स्वसंरक्षण करणं चांगलं जाणतो आणि या स्वसंरक्षणाच्या विचारातूनच मार्शल आर्टचा जन्म झाला आहे. आम्ही होऊन हल्ला करणार नाही, इतरांना इजा पोचवणार नाही, पण जर का कोणी आमच्या वाटेला जाईल तर मात्र नाठाळाचे माती देऊ काठी या नयाने समर्थपणे स्वसंरक्षण करू. चला स्वसंरक्षणार्थ पाहूया कराटे डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन.
आपल्या समोर फक्त हे विद्यार्थी क्लास टेक्निक सादर करणार आहेत. आजकाल महिलांना संरक्षणासाठी खूप म्हणजे आवश्यकता आहे. तर आपल्यासमोर स्वतःचं संरक्षण कसं करावं हे आपल्यासमोर आमच्या शाळेच्या विद्यार्थिनी आपल्यासमोर सादर करत आहेत. ही फक्त एक क्लास टेक्निक आहे. जर समजा खरोखर प्रहार केला तर दुसऱ्याला इजा वगैरे होऊ शकते. त्यामुळे